Guys, welcome back to Sister Naya's Corner. Guys, let's get this ready. Plantain bread without flour, just plantain and baking powder. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It was delicious. Okay, guys, here we have 2 plantain, just 2. And 3 large eggs. I already cracked one because it was trying to fall out. So add 2 more. 3 large egg. Let's set that aside and peel the plantain. Guys, I didn't know it would taste good, though. It tastes good. At least you know what you're eating. No flour, just plantain. And it's fillings, just like cake or bread. Yeah, and there's no sugar. Pinch of salt. I have to cut the plantain into small pieces so it can blend very well. This one is done. Oh, plantains, do you say it? Yeah. See, I like to cook. I like to try what I see. Let's go ahead and add it in the blender. Introduce the eggs, 3 eggs. That's a teaspoon of baking powder. And now the added milk, a 1/4 cup of milk. Here we go. Okay, let's cover the blender. Oh, a pinch of salt. I added a little bit. I don't want a whole lot, so she said just a little bit of salt to me. Yep. We go ahead and blend it. Okay, guys, I think it's good enough. Let's go ahead and pour it into the pan. My bread pan. I couldn't find my bread pan, so I found these ones. I just went ahead and poured it. Nothing else. Too easy to be true. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's go into the oven. Go into the oven. Guys, it's done. Look at it. My plantain bread with no flour. Just plantain and baking powder. Look at that. It's hard. Yes. We're gonna eat it now. Let's see how it tastes. I will tell you if it tastes good or not. Let me start with this one. Okay. Let me show you the finished product. The finished product. A plantain bread. No flour. Just plantain and baking powder. Let's taste it. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, it simply tastes like cake. Yeah, I almost finished that one loaf. I am not kidding you. Just tastes like cake. No sugar. Just the sweetness of the plantain. I love it. I give it 8 over 10. Maybe I will improve next time I try it. This is my first time. Proud of myself. Look at that. Trying to finish the one loaf. Ooh. Yes, that was good. Thank you for watching.